One of the biggest advantages of owning a TSProf sharpener is the huge variety of accessories you can add, but it can be easy to get lost with all the options. So today I want to show you the 3 TSProf accessories that I think do the most to expand the capabilities of your sharpening system. So we'll start with the most niche option and move our way to the ones that I think give you the best bang for your buck. And after we wrap that up, I will also go over TSProf's upcoming summer sale, which is a great opportunity if you've been wanting to pick up one of their systems, one of these accessories, or another accessory that you've been wanting. So now, full disclosure, TSProf sent me a couple of these accessories at no cost, but they aren't seeing this video in advance, and all the opinions here are my own. And one of these, actually my favorite, is one that I actually purchased with my own money, and I actually purchased it more than once too. But with that out of the way, let's get into it. And if you haven't been around TSProf's accessories very much, this one might look foreign to you, but this is the universal sharpening table. And what this is used for, well, and one of the things I'll say is when most people hear TSProf, they think knife sharpening. But that's not all that these systems can do. With this universal table, you can move beyond knives and sharpen things like scissors, chisels, shears, and other woodworking tools. So actually, one of the ones that I have here, I have a pair of scissors. So I will give you kind of an idea of how that'll work. I'm going to mount it in here. So I already have these pretty close to the correct angle, but when you mount them in here, you would line them up with whatever the angle on the scissors is. You can loosen this and tilt the table. Get that fairly close, which I'm not, if I was really sharpening this, I would take more time and get more precise. But once you get it in there, then you just use some long strokes on the blade. And you really don't have to do much on these either, because usually you just need a few passes, and then you'll form a burr here, and then you'll just remove that burr, and then you'll do it to the other side. But the method of mounting and sharpening is obviously a bit different than your standard knife, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy to set up. You saw I was able to do it pretty quick. So whether you're just looking for more things to sharpen, you just love your sharpener, you want to find more things to sharpen, good reason to get this. Or if you want to justify this system to your significant other, that is another great reason to pick up something like this. And in fact, I think this probably offers the biggest expansion as far as the things that you can sharpen, but that is the universal table. And next, I'm going to move on to a different system. Both of my other options are on that system. So I'm going to move this out and I'll be right back. So my number 2 favorite option is quick clamps. Now, the quick clamps, they don't expand what you can sharpen necessarily, but they speed up and simplify the sharpening process. So instead of using a hex driver, which is what is normally here to tighten and loosen the clamps, you use these levers. So if you want to loosen it to put a knife in, you flip them up. You can see they open up the jaws here a little bit. You'd put the knife in and then clamp it down. And depending on the blade stock, you may have to loosen it or tighten it. But if you do that, you just turn it like this, or the opposite direction, you just adjust that way, and then clamp it down. Now, these both come in both the standard, which is what these are. This is the standard clamps. And then I also have the fillet clamps, which you can see are a little bit longer and a little bit sleeker design. So you can get it in either, depending on what best fits what you're sharpening. The thing that the fillets are great for is thinner blade stocks and just like thinner or less tall, I guess, blades. Because of the more gradual taper here, it'll allow you to get finer angles on those, even though they may be shorter in relation to the clamps. But like I mentioned, this one is more about making your life easier than expanding your capability. But if you're going to add something to the system, this is one that I definitely recommend if you want to make your life easier. So the last one, and this is ironically the cheapest one, is the L attachments here. So what these are, you can get it off of here real quick. So they are little attachments that attach to the clamps. Normally you just clamp the clamp to the clamp bar, but these push it out and also allow you to move it left or right more. So without these clamps cannot meet in the middle of the system like they do now. But with them, and this is great for smaller knives. There we go. With smaller knives, you can have them meet in the middle, or if you want to sharpen a larger knife and you want them to reach farther out, you can also flip them around like this and expand your reach out as well. So whether you want to meet in the middle or expand it outside, they are a great option for that. There we go. That tightened back down. And for me, if you're going to be sharpening smaller knives, this is almost an essential. Like, as somebody who has mostly smaller knives, I really think you should get these. Now, if you are sharpening smaller knives, you can put both clamps on one side, but I'm just not a huge fan of that. This is a much better solution. And especially with how cheap these are, they're almost a no-brainer for me. And honestly, if you're going to only add one accessory to your system, I think it should be the L clamps by far. So now that we've gone over my 3 favorite attachments, TSProf has their summer sale coming up. So whether you're looking to upgrade your current setup or get a system, you should definitely keep an eye on their site this week. So TSProf summer sale runs from July 22nd to July 26th, and the discounts will be up to 20% on select products. I don't know the specific percentages on which products yet, so you'll just need to keep an eye out for that. But I do know that their K4 and KO3 systems will have special offers, and then they will be on sale. And also the Cadet and the Pioneer systems, although they're currently out of stock, you will be able to pre-order them at reduced prices. And those are actually available for pre-order on those prices right now. And that is $398 for the Cadet and $246 for the Pioneer, both of which are absolute solid deals for those systems. And last I checked, they are currently projected to ship on August 20th, so it'll be about a month before they ship out, a little bit less than a month now, but you are pre-ordering those. And if you pre-order either of those systems, you'll receive TSProf's professional sharpening video course as a free gift with that. So whether you're looking to get started with a TSProf system or add accessories to one you already own, this is a really good opportunity, and I'll have links down in the description and the pinned comment for where to check that out. So, like I said at the beginning, one of the strengths of TSProf systems is that you can really grow into them. You can start with sharpening knives, then add accessories that let you tackle more tools, more blade shapes, or just make your life easier. And while TSProf had a lot of great accessories, has a lot of great accessories, these 3 that I covered are definitely my highest recommendation. But which one is your favorite? Or did I miss one that you think deserves more love? Let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this overview, make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss my next video. And until next time, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I'll see you in the next one.